Welcome back. In the first part, we implemented the employee entry process of a company. Over time, the process grew and is now quite complex. In this part, we are going to split this complex process into smaller, less complex and independent processes by using signals. First, we delete the task switch and replace it with a script step, followed by an end element. Then, in the script step, we will send a created signal. We do that by using the Signals API and send a signal that uses the code HR employee created followed by the employee ID. Next, let's copy the create account process part here and copy it to the new process I already have created with the name create account in the new IT project. Copy it here. This one we don't need. And use the new signal start process element to start this process. On the signal start, I have to configure which signals I want to receive here. I use the HR employee created signal code here, so that the process only starts if this signal is sent. Now let's see if this works. I go to the entry process and start the new employee process. I enter some data. The data gets saved to the database and the signal created is sent. As soon as the signal created is sent, the process create account starts and a new task create account for employee 1 is created. If I go to the signals up here, I can see that there was a signal fired called HR employee created 1. It was sent by this element in this task by this developer user, and it was received at this element and created this task here, our employee created. Of course, I also have to factor out the other process parts to their own processes. In this part, you have learned how to split the complex process into smaller processes by using signals. In the next part, you will learn how to use boundary signals events.